This channel named 10x Income has gained over 300k subscribers, and he is using this type of animated talking avatar that engages the audience and looks very cool. I used this type of character in my previous video, and this guy named Karakatat commented, and I promised that I would make a complete video on it. So here I am. First of all, open Leonardo.ai. You can also use all the websites on your smartphone. After creating an account, go to AI image generation. Here are some prompts to generate an image of the character. You can directly copy and paste the prompt. In the model section, choose absolute reality and change the ratio to 16:9 for horizontal video, or you can choose 9:16 for shorts or reels. Also, add negative prompts. Then hit the generate button. If you don't find the best photo for you, try again and change the prompt. After a few attempts, I found that picture. Click to open it and download it. Now open HeyGen website. After creating an account, click on Create Video. Choose a video form. Now click on Photo Avatar and upload the picture that we generated before. Then select your picture and write your script here. You can use the same video for any script because it is wearing a mask. And then hit the Submit button. After compilation, download the video. But it has a watermark. Go to this watermark remover website. Upload your video file. Select the area of the watermark and download it. The watermark is now removed.